Rajyotsava is celebrated with a lot of zeal and enthusiasm by huge crowds across Karnataka. However, this year in Dharwad, the 68th Karnataka Rajyotsava was celebrated in an empty stadium. This is also the 50th year of renaming Mysuru state as Karnataka. The RNShettyStadium saw only a handful of participants when Dharwad district in charge and Labour Minister Santosh Lad inaugurated the event. One of the reasons for low participation was that the district administration did not issue a strict order to all schools and colleges, and hence only a few school children attended the event. Nonetheless, the administration went ahead with the celebrations with Minister Lad, DC Gurudat Hegde, Police Commissioner Renuka and other officials offering flowers. The celebrations, which had a grand plan, turned out to be simple. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.